Imagine a place where nature meets creativity, a serene and inspiring place that welcomes artistic dreams and innovative ideas. We believe that creativity is a force capable of transforming the way we see the world. The Neltje Center is a space of inspiration for so many, be it writers, dancers, musicians, artists across the spectrum of all the disciplines. It's a place that people find calming and relaxing. It's a space that allows people to open their minds to their own creative force. The Neltje Center is more than just a physical space. It's a place that inspires, allows artists to reconnect with themselves, do their very best work, and create something truly meaningful.